in line for 23. So this is the view that you get while you're waiting for your boat. Very nice. So if you take a bus from here to the actual town of Capri, it's only 20 euro and you can get one of these buses here. We don't know if we're going to have time to actually explore the town here in Capri because at 11:30 we do have the reservation for the beach club. So we may just finish in time to just take a taxi because there's no Ubers here in Capri. Take a taxi from here to the beach club. But if you want to do that, I do recommend it. If you have more free time or if you're here more than one day, you can just stay in a resort here. The town of Capri and Capri is really worth visiting. You can also take like chairlifts all the way up to the mountain, like to the highest point of the island, and it's only 14 euro each round trip. So that seems like really something really nice to do. But I'd rather just take full advantage of the beach club and just stay there the duration of the time after the boat tour. So that's what we chose to do. Oh, the water's so clear. Oh, it's a little rocky too.
Why the people pay this ticket? Because the Blue Grotto is a national museum, that's why. Lì non c'è fila a bordo, ok? Loro decideranno quando chi deve salire per la statua.
So we just arrived and we have to wait. There's tons of boats that are also waiting. You can see. So if you get seasick very easily, make sure that you bring Dramamine because you're gonna need it. I don't get seasick, but I'm getting a headache. Are you? Are you getting seasick? I'm getting a little dizzy. I don't know if you can tell in the, maybe if I put it by the window, you see how it's like rocking and rocking. Be prepared. We've got some TikTokers here. So they come up to you on these little boats. They collect a few of us at a time. We pay the cash here and then we go in there.
So, sir, step on the white, use the hands, step on the white and then in the sea. No, just me, look at the boat. Oh, mamma mia. Warm your hands inside the boat, always, okay? Never put on the side. Mettete sempre le mani all'interno.
Bye, Carlos. Huh?
Where are you from?
Boston. So this is how we pay. The boat goes right up. Uno.
I put 1 euro coin.
No. I don't have change. I only have 50. We pay right here. Cash register in the middle of the ocean. Pretty soon I'm gonna have to like lay all the way back down so I can fit. Boats all around us. And then people waiting. Carlos stayed behind because he didn't want to drop. He was afraid if the boat tips and both our phones go in, we're not going to be able to get around because we've been having issues with the GPS. So he's right in that boat waiting. Look at all these other boats waiting to get into. That's what we're going inside of. Inside that hole, guys. Did you see how they came in? Ah! Oh my goodness. Let's see how they go in. Ooh, it's getting really rocky. Hopefully I don't fall in, guys, because my phone is a goner. I can swim, I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about the phone. And you just have to swim to there, so it's not a big deal. Look how quick they come out.
Sit up a little bit, because we have to wait. Sit up a little bit,
Look at Carlos. Let's see if we can zoom in on him. There he is. He's looking from afar. Look how close I am to that cliff. And the boat keeps hitting it. We're just waiting our turn now so we can go in. Look at that. Guys, this is scary. Look. The water's like rising. Okay, they say it's normal when it rises. I don't know. It's covering the hole. It's covering the cave. I'm like going down. Oh my gosh, the whole cave is covered. Alright guys, we're next. So after these people, it's us. I guess it's slow. Like this. We'll see. Here I am. Looks like they cut in front of us. Maybe we're next. My neck is hurting. Under? Okay, in the middle. Okay, here we go. Hello. Hopefully my Euros don't get wet. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, we're in. Guys, oh my gosh. Look how blue the water is. That's why it's called the Blue Grotto. Oh wow, guys. Look at this. It's so blue. I would say it's definitely worth the 18 euros, guys. This is beautiful. Look how blue, seriously. Alright, we're heading back out. Same hole we came in. Here we go again.
Huh?
That's a close call, guys. And we're back out. Back out into the sea. Back to the boat, guys. We did it. We made it out safe. Wasn't too bad. Looked a little sketchy at first, but they know what they're doing. Now to try to get out of this boat, which is probably the hard part. Ah! It like shakes. Look. See? Oh, let's see. Yeah. I made it alive. It's worth it. Okay. That was a journey just to get on here. So guys, if you are gonna end up doing this this boat tour and you don't want to do the grotto, let them know when you're exchanging your ticket, because you're gonna be waiting here like an hour. Everyone has their turn. So there is the option without the grotto, so that you can just tour around Capri Island and you don't have to wait. So there were some people here that didn't want to do it, so it just kept me thinking like, wow, they have to wait in this bus, kind of bored. I mean, on the boat, pretty bored, waiting for everyone to have their turn. And as you saw, we had to wait here, we had to wait to pay, then you wait to get inside the cave. So it's a long process, and it's a full boat. So keep that in mind. Make sure you let them know if you do or you don't want to do the grotto. But we're gonna head out now, and we're gonna see the whole coast of Capri.
Was good? Guardate come il colore dell'acqua cambia da blu a verde vicino alla costa, questo perché siamo arrivati all'under the water. The sun is bumping on it and makes this emerald green color. Beautiful. In a minute, we are going. Siete pronti? Please don't throw your husband from the boat.
So guys, this one right here
I forgot to tell you, if there is any single lady, I'm single too for a kiss.
is the beach
Se c'è
club.
qualche
The
signorina
beach club that we're headed to right after here. It's overlooking these cliffs that we're looking at right now. So in this, these rocks here, they're shaped like a heart. There's like a heart you're going between it. And supposedly if you kiss the person you love, you're with them forever when you're going under.
1, 2, and 3.
Oh, now it's just a kiss.
Bacio. Capri, I love you.
Did you enjoy? Do you want to do again? No way. Ciao. Okay, for all the people that they kiss each other, you will see the result in 9 months.